The meaning of plants, the bluebell, Hyacinthioides non-scripta. Bluebells are known to symbolise constancy, gratitude, you are supported, and thank you. In Victorian times, sending someone a bluebell was a sign of humility. All parts of this plant are poisonous as they contain glycosides and should never be eaten. Also, the sap can cause dermatitis on contact with the skin. In Scotland, bluebells are also called harebells, as it is thought that witches used to turn into hares, then hide amongst patches of bluebells. It is thought that bluebells can be used to summon fairies by ringing the bell. However, the story goes that if you hear the bell-shaped flower ringing, then somebody you love will die. There's an old belief that if you can turn a bluebell flower inside out without ripping the flower, you will win the heart of the one you love. In the Bronze Age, the sticky sap from bluebells was used to bind feathers onto arrows, and in the reign of Queen Elizabeth I, the starch from crushed bluebell bulbs was used to stiffen the big rough collars which were worn at that time. The United Kingdom holds just under 50% of the world's bluebell population and are an indicator of ancient woodland, meaning those woodlands have been in existence since at least the year 1600. 18th century Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus is credited as giving the bluebell its Latin name Hyacinthioides non-scripta, which basically means an unmarked hyacinth. He called it this to distinguish it from the hyacinth they are related to. Here are some verses from the 1838 Emily Bronte poem, The Bluebell. The bluebell is the sweetest flower that waves in summer air. Its blossoms have the mightiest power to soothe my spirit's care. For oh, when chill the sunbeams fall adown that dreary sky, and gild yon dank and darkened wall with transient brilliancy, how do I weep, how do I pine for the time of flowers to come, and turn me from that fading shine to mourn the fields of home. Thank you for watching this video about the meaning of bluebells. For more videos about the meaning of plants, click on the playlist on screen now.